everyone. Welcome to my first video on this channel. I am going to be modding watches. Anyway, I've been waiting for some parts to come in the mail so that I can start this going. First, quick wrist check. Seiko SSK 005 GMT. Love that Mikan orange. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Been waiting for this and waiting for this. I'm seriously hoping it's worth the wait. Wow. There we go. Okay. One of the dials. And a movement. There we go. That's one. I went with, there should be enough parts now that I have all together to build two separate watches. I'm going to build one for myself, one for my boy. And they're both going to be kind of blacked out, kind of a Yachtmaster looking mod is what I'm after. We'll have to see what these look like. Oh, there's one set of hands. Oh, look at that. I like that. Be super careful with those. There's one of the dials I ordered. I'm not going to take this out yet because I don't have my finger cuts on. I'm not even going to open it. I don't want to get anything messed up. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's great. I'm happy with that. Let's get this out of the plastic and take a quick look here. Yeah. Like I said, kind of a yachty looking mod it will wind up being. Display case back. Yeah, you'll see it's getting all frosted up because this just came out of the mail. It's still a little chilly today. But I wanted to make a matching set of watches to start with, so that screw down crown, perfect. I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to make a matching set of watches, one for me and one for my son. Oh. Here, let's have a listen. That's a very nice, positive sounding bezel. There's no play. I'm actually very happy with that. That's roughly center where it will be. Excellent. Oh, there's even still a little bit of something on there. All right, I will deal with that off camera. So that's one. And here is the other. Now, they will be identical until they're done. So they're going to be just ever so slightly different from one another. Okay, yeah, they still have the protective film on the side of the case. That's really nice. I haven't really looked at one of these PVD cases before. I'm kind of okay with that. I don't know how well the PVD coating wears, but again, it'll it'll be all right. It'll have a, it'll wind up with that nice patinaed look, that worn in look. I want my son to have a watch he can wear at work and wear at play and do his thing and mess around and not have to worry about banging around. So there must be both of my movements in here. Let's get this out of the way. So there's the one. Uh-oh. The other movement isn't here. That's too bad. So I have an NH35 and an NH36 on order. Looks like I got the 35. I wonder if that stem is cut to size. That would be brilliant if it was. But we'll tuck that back in there. Well, I was hoping to be able to make two, but I can make one. It's a heck of a good start. I have the other dial, so yeah, all I'm missing is the other movement. Well, you guys, thanks for joining me just to take a quick look at this stuff. My next video will be me putting together one, if not both of these watches, but at least one of them. Thanks very much again. Please like and subscribe. I plan to be somewhat of a regular on the YouTubes, so please join me again. Take care, everybody.